Hi there, and welcome you all to my third episode about how to start a business. Now, today episode I make it especially for a call which I have received today, this morning. Somebody called me this morning and told me that he wants to buy another business. Instead of making his business from the scratch, he want to buy another business, which we call it, let's call it a new business, and it is retail business, a store, retail store. Now, I give him the answer on the phone, but I want now to concentrate carefully about what I had told him, and I will start our discussion today by an example, and this example is very important. It is a real example, and I can relate the steps or the factors to be considered to this example. Only one example today. Now, there is a lady, without mentioning the name and the name of that business. She, in fact, selling unique items. And she bought her items from another shops or from other supplier. And one of these shop or supplier is one who's selling gold, because he has some unique items. So she used to buy from him and sell it in his shop. Now, where is the problem? The problem is that she purchased the items from the suppliers, she doubled the prices, and then she announces a 50% discount. And for example, she bought an item for 100, then she sell it for 200, and then after few, for example, months, or after maybe 1 year or whatever, after she made her profit, she gave a discount on 50% of the price to encourage customer to buy more and more. So she forgets something called let the customer be aware. And here we are talking about the price. Many suppliers, many newcomer to the business, many sellers, they thought that customers are not intelligent enough. They say they come to our shop, they are very happy about the discount, and they pay for the discount, and they buy. That is not good. Suggestion: customers are more clever than you and me. Customer, before they come to your shop, they go to number of shops and check the price. Even if they come to your shop as a first shop because they are annoyance and they are happy and they are shocked about the price or the discount, okay, they will check the euro price and go and say, okay, I'll come back to you, and they go to other shop and they check the price and then come to you if they are happy. They will never come to you if they are not happy, if they find the price is there. Let's continue our example. So she purchased the items, she doubled the price, she gave discount, telling the customer, I'm selling you at a trade price, which is after discount. This problem had discovered by one of her supplier. He was selling gold. Definitely he's checked that because it's affect him, because all of customer or most of them, they go to her, and he made some losses for a number of or couple of months. So he have to defend himself, to defend his customer, and he sue her for that. Now, what they discover that he's true, is it right, that she was selling the customer at the retail price, the original price, because at the end of the day, she is selling at 100. But she told the customer, it is 200, I'll give you 100, this or 50%, which means 100 dinar or whatever discount. So you are only paying 100 out of the 200. So most or some customer, they are happy, and they say, well, it's a crazy sale because it was 200, now it's for 100, so 50% discount. Now, this lady, in fact, she had forced, of course, to close her shop, and she had but she, in fact, asked for time to sell her stock. Of course, she has to sell it at a low price, and she made about 200,000 dinars a loss from this sales because of her cheating and because of his illegal attitude or illegal action she had played with her customer. Now, coming back to our answer about the factors which you have to consider when you want to purchase another store or another shop or retail store, as we call it. Now, first of all, as I said, so from this example, you can notice that price is very important. Let the customer be aware. Let your customer know about the price. Don't cheat the customer. Customer is, as I say, intelligent. Customer are sharp. They know the price. They know the markets. They know the suppliers. So don't cheat them. Sell them. If it is discount price, tell them this is discount price. If you have no discount, tell them I don't have discount and this is my retail price. But don't cheat them. This is number one. So price is very important. The second step you have to keep it in your mind is stock. Don't purchase old stock for high price. You want to buy now a ready-made shop. Definitely there is stock. Definitely they have store. And in that store they have items. So check the items carefully. Don't listen to the supplier. Don't say, or he will tell you, or she will tell you, we make profit margin. A very good, very high, or satisfactory profit margin. Don't listen to them. I say, still, when I'm talking about knowledge. Remember the first episode? I concentrate and I focus on knowledge. Knowledge is very important. Knowledge is your responsibility. You have to check. You have to check yourself. You have to make the study, as I say, yourself. So check the items. Don't pay for the old items. Old items mean they are obsolete. They have a long stock turnover. So they are on the shelves or they are on the store for ages and nobody buy them. So why you buy them now? Keep it in the store. Who will buy them from you? Now, if you want to buy them for cheap price, but not only cheap, very cheap price. If they want, and if you want, and if you have some knowledge that the price will go up in the future, or you can do some modification to the items, you can whatever. So you can use your experience and your talent and your marketing and advertising knowledge to market this item. You can do that, it's okay, but don't pay for these items high price. Buy them for cheap price or don't buy them. Exclude them. Tell them, sorry, I don't want this item. I want to buy your shop only without this store. So also, as I said, after you check the age of the stock, you have to check the turnover of the stock. For example, they have items, they are selling this item, but check these stock are selling quickly or it has slow moving selling. It's some items they should go very on daily basis or weekly basis. Some of them they stay in there. So okay, we appreciate that even if you stay for 1 year, but you have to classify them carefully. And after the classification, you have to check that you should have knowledge that what type of stock I'm going to buy, and what is the stock turnover in this about these items, how long it will stay, whether they will become obsolete soon, they are or these items are quickly get out of fashion, out of order, or whatever. You have to study your stock carefully, okay? And after you check the prices, and after you check the stock and all the things which belong to the stock, you have also to check the customer relationship and the staff relationship of this shop. So check about the customer. Are they happy? Why they stop coming to this shop? What is the problem? It is your problem. It is you have to make the knowledge. You have to make the study. So make your homework before you purchase this or before you buy this new shop. So, or as even if it is existing shop, but for you is a new shop. And remember, between bracket, it is your money. Don't throw your good money after bad. So why you purchase this shop? Why you purchase the items? Why? And then we say, what about the customers? Are they happy? Are they satisfied? Are they getting discount? Are they always, they have a good relationship with the owners or with the shop? Even if they don't have good relationship, do you think that even if you make discount and they will come to you only? Definitely they will not come to you. Even if they like you, even if you have a group of your friends, they will buy from you, but still they keep in your mind the perception about the shop, the old shop, which become a new shop for you. They have a bad relation with this shop. Definitely it will go forever, and you lose your money. Okay, and definitely if the customer are not happy, that's mean sales is low and the cash is low. So there are two life blood of the business, sales and cash. So you cannot manage them, you cannot control them. Definitely will end with cash flow problem. Definitely will close your money, your shop, and you will lose your money. Maybe he is the seller, he will win because he took your money, but you will incur these losses forever, and you are the loser. Staff relationship is very important. All the staff are happy, assuming that you will remain the staff. Definitely, if you want to buy the new business without a staff, that is okay. Just ignore it. Concentrate on customer relationship. But what about, say, okay, I will take the same shoppers, or the salesman, I'll take the secretary, I'll take the cleaner, I'll take the driver for example, the delivery of the items. So we'll keep them. But what about their relationship with the owners? Are they happy? How to make them happy? If they are not happy, why not happy? Do they have the same perception inside? They hate this shop, but they stay for money only, so they will hate you and will hate your business, and they will not going to do their job properly. Again, you will lose your money. Be careful. Finally, is it very important, very tricky and very funny at some time. When you buy a business, even if it is bad business, the seller add price for that. Value to his selling price and say plus goodwill. How you call it goodwill if it is bad business? Goodwill in accounting, we know it is for good business. So I'll buy the goodwill. It is an asset. It is intangible asset. I know. Okay, we show it in the balance sheet as it is an asset of the organization. Sometimes it is very high and it's exceed the total asset, fixed asset and current asset. But remember that why you pay for bad business, even if it is not bad, why you buy or you pay a goodwill for a unique shop which has very old items which are remain in the shelf or in the store for ages. So we cannot call them goodwill. This is why I call it, they call it, yani why I call it funny, because it is really funny. We cannot call it goodwill if the business is bad, if the business has a problem, even with the prices or with the stock or with the customers or with the staff. So it is not good. So therefore, don't pay for the goodwill unless you are 100% sure that this business is good and the value of the goodwill is worth it, and you will get it until you sell your shop again to another person or other shop, and you will ask for the price. Otherwise, again, you are paying too much money, you are losing your money. And before I end up, remember, when you want to buy a new business, remember the price. Let's make the customer be aware. Focus and study the stock, and don't buy all the stock, unsellable stock. Remember, number 3 is about the staff and customer, or let's call it customer and staff relationship. And number 4, the goodwill, or you can call it bad will if you want. And remember the example I discussed to you about the lady which cheat her customer by telling them that I'm selling you at retail price, at discount trade price. That means after the discount, while she is in fact selling at retail price. Thank you very much, and see you soon.